This is AI Business Cases, the playbook for operators. We're breaking down 5 things every AI implementation gets wrong and how to fix them. Operational pain points are very real in the journey to AI maturity. One of the most consistent issues I see is the bad data, which leads to terrible model performance. Almost 70% of AI implementations run into this same wall: poor data quality. It's the data readiness problem nobody talks about, yet it cripples efforts to develop reliable AI solutions. Take a company I worked with recently, a mid-sized manufacturing firm struggling to scale their predictive maintenance efforts. They were attempting to deploy AI solutions, but found that their data was so messy, it took up to 3 times longer to clean than it did to actually train their models. So they decided to take a systematic approach. They partnered with Talent for data integration and cleaning, and this came with a cost of about $120K. The timeline for setting everything up was around 4 to 6 months. Now let's break down exactly how they made it work. First, they established a clear data governance framework. This included defining data owners, creating data quality metrics, and implementing ongoing monitoring. They set up Talent to automate data cleansing, which dramatically reduced pre-processing time. They also invested in Databricks for an accessible data lake, allowing for centralized data storage and management. The results? Initially, they encountered a 30% jump in predictive model accuracy and a reduction in data prep times from weeks to just a couple of days. If they barely managed to crunch the numbers before, their new system allowed them to analyze trends that led to actionable insights for maintenance scheduling, cutting costs by $150K annually. What's transferable here is the emphasis on data governance before diving into AI implementation. So many companies overlook this critical stage, focusing only on the algorithms instead of the foundational data. This leads to the second major misstep: inadequate investment in data quality measures. AI is only as good as the data fed to it. Poor data will ultimately drive poor decision-making. The third mistake is not deploying a scalable architecture. You may start small with a pilot program, but if your backend can't handle larger datasets or increased query loads down the road, you're setting yourself up for failure. Fourth, I see companies commonly skimp on training and user adoption. They often forget that a tool is as powerful as the people using it. If your teams aren't equipped to leverage these AI systems effectively, the entire investment remains underutilized. Lastly, many overlook the importance of iterative feedback loops after deployment. AI models aren't set and forget solutions. They require continuous review and optimization based on new data and changing business needs. In summary, tackle these mistakes head-on. Prioritize data governance. Invest seriously in cleaning and quality measures. Ensure scalability. Commit to user education. And don't forget about continuous iteration after rollout. Every one of these aspects can make or break your AI strategy. This week, take one actionable step. Conduct an internal audit on your data quality practices. Are there gaps in data ownership and governance? Are you leveraging the right tools for cleansing? You might find that solving the data quality conundrum could unlock the full potential of your AI initiatives. That wraps this case study. If you're implementing AI in your organization, follow the channel.